Hey, 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 what is going on, Facebook family and YouTube family and anybody else that is listening to this? This is your man, Daniel Wiafe, coming at you from a bright, awesome Thursday in the best city in the world, Las Vegas, Nevada. I hope everybody is doing well today as you guys come on board this little training call, this little house party that we're having here. I want you guys to go ahead and let me know who's on here, okay? Let me know your name, let me know your city, state, let me know what type of business you are in the comments area, okay? And as you guys get on board, if you're watching this live, if you're watching this as a replay visitor, I want you to go ahead and hit those thumbs up. If you hate me and you hate my face, then put the thumbs down. Whatever you do, hit a thumbs up or a thumbs down. And also share and also subscribe to my notifications for my live videos because we cover some great stuff. And if you want some free training on how to create an online business that is devoted and geared around your passion and your expertise in life, then I want you to check out my training at my website at higherpayingclients.com, higherpayingclients.com. What's up, Ryan Cathene and Mr. Vaughn Knock? How are you doing? How are you doing? All right, so look, one quick business tip, okay? How you doing, Carla Johnson from Dallas, Texas? So one quick business tip on how you can simplify getting fees of $3,000 to $10,000 from your online coaching program or your workshop program or whatever it is that you're doing for business, okay? And what's up, Remy and Robert Brewer? Hey, what's up, Seacock? How you doing? Hey, 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 it's all good. Okay, so look, you guys know what I always preach. I preach this like almost on a daily basis. Ninja Remy is in the house, yes. So I preach this on a daily basis, you guys. I love to focus on businesses which targets higher paying clients, okay? Because I believe in my heart, you guys, and from past studies and from past experiences, that you can be most efficient, you can make the most money, you can have the most impact when you're charging higher rates for your services and for your products, okay? So what is high ticket? In my opinion, is anything over $1,000, okay? So if you're selling something for $1,000, $3,000, $5,000, you only have to work with a few select clients each and every month for you to hit your income goals, okay? If you want to have a $20,000 a month income and you're charging $5,000 for each client that you work with, you only need 4 new clients a month, okay? Versus if you're selling your stuff for, let's say, $100 a month, or you're selling your stuff for $200, you need to have like 50, 100, 200 clients every month for you to hit your financial goals, okay? That sucks, all right? So what's up, John and David and GW? So look, the one quick simple tip on how you can quickly get those $3,000 to $10,000 high ticket fees, okay? You ready for this? I know you are. Everybody's like, hurry up and get on with it, Daniel. I will. So look, use payment plans, okay? Use payment plans. And I'm going to make sure that y'all remember this because I'm going to go ahead and just type it in the comments area right now. Matter of fact, if you're watching this, I want you to go ahead and help me out and just go ahead and type in use payment plans, okay? So I'm up here trying to work my tripod, okay? And I'm going to put some exclamation points on it as well. Like I'm all close and personal. You can probably see all my pores in my face and all that. Good thing I use Noxzema, right? All right, use payment plans, okay? So when you use payment plans, you guys, for higher tickets, your higher ticket programs and your higher ticket training, coaching programs and workshops and whatnot, then what you're doing is you're giving your clients, you're giving your students an easier and a simpler way for them to work with you, okay? So not just you selling something for just $5,000 as a one hit, okay? But you can allow your clients to make it 2 payments of $2,500, okay? You can allow your clients to make it 3 payments of $1,700, okay? And of course, I don't really want to go above 3 payments, okay? So me personally, I don't go above 3 payments, but for you, you may want to do that, okay? But for my students that I coach, okay, I teach them 2 to 3 payment plans at most. And you do that, and you will have more people that are working with you, okay? Because a person that does make payment plans, you guys, typically 85% of them are going to fulfill and go on through and make that second payment, okay? So the key thing to making sure that you get the payment automated from them is to make sure that you put them on a rebill, okay? And a rebill means that you have collected their credit card number, whether you're using PayPal or Stripe or some other type of payment processor, and you're automatically going to deduct that amount from their credit card each month, okay? So that's the biggest thing, okay? Don't rely on people to remember that stuff, okay? And what's up, Idris Talib? Don't rely on people to remember to pay you, okay? Because typically they won't, okay? And you don't want to have to go chasing down people, okay? Because we're coaches, we're teachers, we're not bill collectors, okay? I never signed up to be a bill collector, okay? So use payment plans. If you're using payment plans that are over 2 or 3 payments, I would suggest that you put some type of interest or a premium charge on that, okay? Because what you want to do, you guys, is you want to make where a person is going to be rewarded for paying you a large fee upfront, okay? So for instance, let's use $4,000, okay? Let's say you're selling an education program. It's a 6-week program. You're selling it for $4,000, okay? So what you can do, all right? And what's up, Jay Johnson? And what you can do, you guys, and this is exactly what my student Adrian Daniels in Memphis, Tennessee did, and he actually closed his first sale. So I'm going to go ahead and give him a round of applause live, all right? Because he closed his first deal. He's been with me for about 3 weeks, all right? Closed his first deal. He is his superpower, his gifting, his expertise is he teaches people how to create a trucking business without having a CDL, okay? Closed his first client, and the payments that he got from that first client is 2 payments, okay? So use this simple trick, this simple hack. So if you're selling a product or service or workshop or training program, you guys, for let's say $4,000, okay? What you're going to do is you're going to say, okay, one payment of $4,000, all right? Now, if your client is a little bit cash strapped, that's okay, okay? Because again, you got the magic, okay? You got the money, all right? You got the secret hack that Wiafe taught you, right? So what you're going to say is, all right, well, how can we work together? Let's put our heads together and come up with an idea on how we can get you in, okay? Because I want to help you. You want to be helped, don't you? Yeah, I do want to be helped, okay? So how are we going to help you? How are we going to do this, okay? Always ask your prospective clients how we are going to help you. Let them answer the question, okay? Never let anybody get you in the mode or the mood or the rhythm of answering questions, okay? You are the person who's always asking questions, all right? So what's up, Luke Van Camp? I used to go to school with him, and Shan Pariah, and Rayan Rab, and Nana Kose Ventures, my Ghanaian countryman brother. All right, so look, $4,000 product that you're selling, $4,000 training that you're sharing, right? That you're selling, okay? And while I'm saying sharing, go ahead and share this video with your Facebook feed, all right? But look, you're selling a $4,000 product. So break it up into 2 payments if they need it. You can do it for 2 payments of $2,300, okay? So that 2 payments of $2,300, that's going to be a total of $4,600 by the time that they're done paying for it, okay? So you've added a $600 premium charge to it, okay? What's up, Darius? And if you're knocking it into a 3-payment plan, you guys, you can knock that into a thing where, let's say it is 3 payments of $1,700, okay? So the total of that is going to be $5,100, I believe, if my math in my head is correct, okay? Now, I've seen people, they go, if they're doing training programs like coaching programs or workshops, I've seen people go as high as giving people 8-month plans and 6-month plans and 12-month plans and 18-month plans. And I typically would not do that if I were you, but to each their own, okay? So anyways, hope this helped somebody. If you have any questions, I want you to go ahead and ask in the comments area, whether it's below my finger or above my head or to either side of me. I want you to go ahead and ask your questions, okay? And if you want to get free training on how you can create a high-ticket workshop, how you can create an online business that is predicated and built around your expertise and your passion, I want you to go now, immediately. I want you to run to www.higherpayingclients.com, higherpayingclients.com. Got a free training for you to check out. So until the next video or post or whatever, make love, not war. Peace in the Middle East. God bless y'all.